Hello, camera enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into the Fujifilm X-T1, a mirrorless camera that's captured the attention of many photography lovers. We'll explore its standout features and what makes it a solid choice for various shooting styles. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. The Fujifilm X-T1 boasts a classic, retro-inspired design that's both functional and stylish. Its magnesium alloy body is rugged and weather-sealed, making it resistant to dust, water, and freezing temperatures down to -10°C. This makes it an excellent option for outdoor and travel photographers who need durability in unpredictable environments. One of the X-T1's standout features is its high-resolution electronic viewfinder. With a 2.36 million dot OLED display and a refresh rate of 54 fps, it provides a clear, lag-free view of your scene. The large magnification ratio offers a near-optical viewfinder experience, which is great for composing shots with precision. At its core, the X-T1 features a 16.3 APS-C X-Trans CMOS II sensor paired with an EXR processor too. This combination delivers excellent image quality, vibrant colors, and impressive dynamic range. The X-Trans design reduces the need for an optical low-pass filter, ensuring sharper images while minimizing moire and false colors. The X-T1 is equipped with a hybrid autofocus system that includes both phase and contrast detection points. Its AF performance is fast and accurate, especially in good lighting conditions. The camera can shoot up to 8 frames per second with continuous autofocus, making it suitable for capturing action shots or fast-moving subjects. Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes are another highlight. The X-T1 offers classic options like Velvia, Provia, and Astia, as well as monochrome profiles. These modes allow photographers to create distinctive looks straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. The camera includes built-in Wi-Fi for easy image transfer to your smartphone or tablet using the Fujifilm Camera Remote app. It also features tethered shooting support, which is particularly useful for studio photography. The intuitive physical dials and customizable buttons enhance the shooting experience, giving users more control over their settings. That wraps up our look at the Fujifilm X-T1. It's a camera that balances classic design with modern functionality, making it a reliable companion for various types of photography. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.